Isaiah is today. 5! And on the count of 5, we're going to sing happy birthday to Isaiah. Everybody ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Isaiah.
Happy birthday to you.
Alright, my man, let's put your toys on this plate. And then what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to cut the cake first, and I'm going to put them on these plates, and then I'll hand them out to you guys to eat, okay? The rings? Well, it depends on what Isaiah wants to do with those things. Because there's only 4 rings. Oh, hold on 1 second, guys. Alright, here we go.